Dear scholars, through the previous video, we have put an end to learning the second part of the lesson, The Fall of Troy. I hope you all might have understood the story or the lesson. Through this video, let us see what activities are given in English workshop. Here is the first activity. Find and write the Greek and Trojan names used in the story part 1 and part 2. So all the names of the Greeks and Trojans you have to write from both the parts of the lesson or the story, the fall of Troy. So I hope it is simple activity and you all will do it easily. Next one, list all the words related to war from both parts of the story. So whatever words related to war are given, that you have to find out. Next, third activity, note the following constructions carefully and then use them to express your ideas. Here, the words big enough are shown in bold font. So, using the structure of enough to, you have to write your own sentence or your own idea. Let me give an example. Before that, let's read the given sentence. A horse big enough to hold men inside it. It is showing that how large or how big the horse is. The same way, you have to think of anything else and show that how it is enough. It may be thing, it may be idea, it may be any animal, it may be any deed. Just you have to keep in mind, if it is enough, then what could it do, or for which activity something is enough. For example, it is big enough to climb the mountain. So it may be a rope, it may be something else. Next, the Greeks were tired of the long war. Tired of, it is the phrase that you have to use in your own sentence. For example, I am tired of waiting. Next, they are afraid of the long voyage home to. Are afraid of, it is the phrase you have to use in the sentences of your own. Instead are, you can use any to be verb. For example, he is afraid of asking questions. Next, they made it too big to go inside your city. So here, too big to go inside is the phrase shown in bold letters, bold font. They made it too big to go inside your city. It has the meaning that it is very big that it can't be taken inside the city. So if something has opposite meaning like this, at that time the structure of 2 dash dash 2 is used. For example, tea is too hot to drink. One more example, he is too fat to walk. So what is the meaning of it? That is, he is so fat that he can't walk, or tea is so hot that it can't be drunk. Next and last one, they were so excited that they paid no attention to his words. So here you have to focus on so excited that, but instead excited you just focus on so that. So it is the another structure of the sentence which is used to express the same idea which you can express in using the structure of D. For example, tea was so hot that I couldn't drink it, or tea was so hot that no one could drink it. So in this way make you have to frame your own sentences using the phrases, common phrases over here. Fourth activity, put the following events in order in which they took place. Number them accordingly. So you have to arrange all these in chronological order. What is it? Whatever happened, that must be considered first. Let me give what would be the beginning. For example, see the sentence number C. The cunning Odysseus thought of a plan. So it would be the first sentence, or it is the first happening, first event. Second event, it is there in the sentence F, or at the sentence F. The Greeks built a big wooden horse. It would be the second sentence. The same way, there are 12 sentences in all. Arrange them in order they took place or happened. Next, activity fifth, form pairs. Imagine you are a pair of Trojans, that is, you are there in Trojan army, and you have come to know about Odysseus' plan. Make a counter plan to defeat the Greeks. Write down your plan as you would explain it to your fellow Trojans. What is counter action? Whatever happened, in opposite of it something written, that is called as counter action. For example, he came with great speed. It is the action. He came with great speed to kill his enemy. It is the action done by someone. What would be the counter action, or what would be the reply to that person? The man or the soldier on opposite side killed him very, very sharply, or the man in the opposition ran away with great speed to get his life saved. So whatever happened, what could be in opposition of it, that is called as counter action. So if you know about Odysseus' plan of that wooden horse, what would you have done? For example, I would say, as I would have led the horse as I come to know about the plan, next day I would have visited the Greek left with that horse. I would have put the horse on fire, and also I would have killed that soldier or the Greek soldier. Or you can write anything else, just it should be in opposition so that the Greeks would get defeated. Next, activity 6th. Identify one example of a main clause and one example of a dependent clause from page 46. Read the entry regarding clause in language study pages. So if you want to know more about clauses, you can read its information given in language study pages. So if you think of the page number 46, there might be many examples. You have to find at least one. So you could tell it, you could classify it into a main clause and dependent clause. What is dependent clause? That is subordinate clause. So here is that example. The Trojans were killed before they could put on their armor and seize their weapons. So here in this sentence, the Trojans were killed. It is the main clause, and from the word before till the weapons, what is it? Before they could put on their armor and seize their weapons is the subordinate or dependent clause. Next one, 7th activity, be a writer. It is the activity related to writing skill. What is it? Let us see. Now read the beginning and end of a sci-fi story. Sci-fi, that is science and fiction, given below, and complete the story using your imagination. What is the title of the story given? The Magic Glasses. Let us read the beginning. After 10 years of diligent experiment on light, Jayant, a brilliant scientist, created a pair of eyeglasses which would enable him to see through all opaque objects. What is opaque objects? An object through which light rays cannot pass. Through all opaque objects, doors, walls, metal structures, etc. On Monday. What is it? It is the introduction or the theme of the story given over here. Using it, you could increase the sentences, suitable sentences, and expand your story. On Monday, he put on his magic glasses and stepped into the busy street outside. Then think of, after putting up that glasses through which he could see all the opaque objects, doors, walls, metal structures, etc. What would have happened? That you have to think of, and you have to expand the story. What is given in the end? And so Jayant received the state award for brave citizens. So wearing those glasses, he would have done a brave work. So what brave work he could have done wearing those glasses? That you have to think of, and accordingly you have to write the story in the past tense. So what he could have done, as he would be in the street, he could have come to know about the robbery, and the policemen were in search of the robbers, the thieves. The thieves were hidden behind something, and accordingly
using his glasses, he tried to find, to search those thieves or robbers, and what could he come to see, that is, the thieves or the robbers were hidden in one of the smallest rooms, etc. So in this way, using many of your ideas, you can expand the story. Remember, your story could show the bravery of Jayant, and for which he would receive state award for brave citizens. Next and last activity, read the following and observe the use of tenses. Let us see. Last week I witnessed a strange accident. Let me tell you about it. So it is the sentence given in simple past tense. The first sentence. Next, what is that incident or what is that accident? Let us see. The signal flashes green. Vehicles start from the opposite direction. They move fast. Suddenly, a speeding motorcyclist tries to cut across from the wrong side. He is about to collide with a loaded truck. He applies the brakes. He falls and slides out with his bike from under the truck. He comes out uncatched on the other side. So, see, notice the underlined sentence. Last week I witnessed a strange accident. So, as it is mentioned about last week, the story would have been written in past tense, right? Even though it is written in present tense. See the verbs flashes, start, move, tries, etc. Verbs used in this event or paragraph, they all are showing the present tense. What is it? The event taken place in the past, written or mentioned or explained or described in present tense. Then how it could be done or why it is done? Let us see. When an event which has occurred in the past is narrated in the present tense to create a dramatic effect, its tense is called dramatic present tense. So remember, if any such a story is narrated in present tense, the tense used in that story or that narration is the dramatic present tense. What is its use? To create dramatic effect. Now try to relate Jayant's sci-fi story in brief in dramatic past tense. Sorry. Yes, dramatic past tense. Let me give an example of dramatic present tense. As we came to know about the story of the fall of Troy, and accordingly, we came to know that great heroes on both sides were killed in the course of the war. After leading the defense of his city for 9 years, the brave Hector was at last killed by Achilles. So, if you think of these sentences which are written in past tense, you could change them or you can change them in the present tense by changing the verbs, using the verbs in present tense. So, at such a occasion or at such a sentences, you can think of dramatic present tense. So, how it could be written? Great heroes on both sides are killed in the course of the war. After leading the defense of his city for 9 years, the brave Hector is at last killed by Achilles. So, this is all about all the activities given in English workshop
based on the story The Fall of Troy, Part 2nd. I hope you all will understand the given explanation and accordingly you all will do all the activities easily